In this video, I'll show you whether you can send money on Western Union using a credit card. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. Many people use Western Union to send money, but are unsure if they can use a credit card and how the process works. First, yes, you can send money using a credit card through the Western Union website, mobile app, or even at some agent locations. You simply enter the receiver's details, choose the amount, and then select credit card as your payment method during checkout. The next thing to understand is the cost. Credit card payments usually come with higher fees compared to bank transfers or debit cards. In many cases, your credit card provider may also treat the transaction as a cash advance, which can include extra charges and immediate interest. Another important factor is speed. One advantage of using a credit card is that transfers are often processed quickly, especially for cash pickup, making it a convenient option in urgent situations. You should also check with your bank before using your credit card. Some banks may block international transactions or apply additional restrictions, so it's better to confirm in advance. In terms of safety, using a credit card on Western Union is generally secure as transactions are encrypted and protected. However, you should only send money to people you trust, since transfers are difficult to reverse. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.